Inflation. A lot of you upset.
Not again.
I know. It's a pain. These reports that are coming out.
The IMF has downgraded their outlook for growth in many parts of the world. I think much of the strain we're seeing reflects the impact of Russia's brutal war against
Don't watch
Ukraine.
the TV, is what I say. Just keep gardening.
Went to California, obviously, and the gas, wow. I'm glad to be home. That's all I have to say.
We're talking $7-8.
$7.29, I think it was. $6.79, $7.29. I was like, wow.
Circle K's stations, the gas stations, are adding a new product. The marijuana is now looking to be available. They're testing 10 stores in Florida. You can now pick up Mary Jane-wana. What do you call it, Mary Jane?
I don't know, but it won't be a Circle K, that's for sure.
Maybe, but I found this interesting. Next year, when consumers in Florida pick up soda, chips, or even a little candy bar with your kids, this is my problem. I mean, I'm okay with the whole you legalize it and so on, and you be responsible. I mean, people drink, and you got to be responsible. You can, toke it up and be responsible. Or you could be like Snoop Dogg, and you have a guy that rolls it up for you. He gets paid $50,000 a year. But Circle K next year is serious. Circle K, which is based, it's a Canadian convenience store gas station. We have them here in Arizona. They're actually worldwide. There's Circle K's all over the world. They're teaming up. This was an official report. Teaming up with a leading cannabis packaged goods company, Green Thumb Industries, to sell marijuana at a limited number of locations in 2023. But everything's high. All right, that's your bit of weird situation. I wanna regroup.